Welcome to Master Trader, where you learn simple market analysis to make money investing and trading in the markets. I'm Dan Gibby, and in this weekly trade review, we're going to review this concept that we call the bullish turn with a price void after a climactic buy setup. We're going to concentrate on Home Depot, but then I'm going to give you a couple others that we've been trading last week, but every single one of them is on our radar as a new opportunity this week because of what happened in the broader markets. So we had this waterfall in the broader markets and in many sectors over the last couple of weeks. So a week ago, we got this huge, we call this a wide range. The range from the high to the low of this bar was massive, just compared to the range of all these others. And it left a bottoming tail with the biggest volume that you can see here in months. So that's a powerful short-term reversal bar for a counter-trend trade back up over the high. The next day was an inside day. The next day looked like a gap. Well, it was a gap over the two bars high, and it looks like it was going to go, but it failed. Another one, inside bar failed. Now, last Friday, we had a small little bullish gap. Sold off in the morning, took out the lows of the two prior days, and closed at the high of the day with a bullish engulfing bar. This is a closing breakout above 4 prior bars with a price void. So this, we've been selling put spreads on this last week. We have new directional trades recommended on this coming week in addition to new put spreads. So this looks fantastic for follow through the next this coming week. Home Depot, HD. Same kind of thing, climactic buy setup, but what got our interest on this one was this gap down that had no tail, so it got met with immediate buying, vigorous buying. This is the biggest wide range green real body on this whole chart for the last couple of months. Then we had a couple of inside bars. What we love about Friday's bar right here is this is a continuation bar. It traded under these prior lows, snapped right back, closing with another closing breakout with a range expansion bar, while all these 4 bars actually held the upper 50% of this, and you got a price void. So we did have a wonderful naked short put on this last week that we sold the 310 puts for just a couple days to expiration. I think we did it on Wednesday, so we had 2.5 days of risk, and we took in $1.10, and the stock could have fallen. It was right around 350 or 360 when we did it or so. So the stock could fall $45-50 in 3 days, and we still make the maximum profit. So now for this coming week, we're going to do it again. Over Friday's high, we're recommending this as a directional long into the price void, just trailing over under a prior bar's low. And we're going to be selling put spreads again under these 4 bars. I think we gave the 350, 340 put spread. So this is what we're focusing on here, but again, because of the waterfall in the broader markets, there's a lot of other sector ETFs and stocks that are on our watch list this week. XLK is a technology ETF, same concept. Climactic, huge reversal on volume, couple inside bars in a closing breakout. Same with XLV, same. You know, we say same but different because they don't set up identical, but it's the identical concept. Closing breakout, climactic buy setup, multi-day stabilization, and a price void above to move higher. Here's 2 stocks, MLM, same. Came down hard, far from the 20. Stabilizing over a couple days, closing breakout. Same. EFX. Big, huge fall, $300 down to $220. What I love about this bottoming tail is it was an ugly red bar, closed with over the prior bar's high with a range expansion bar on the biggest volume in a long time. Again, same concept, couple of inside bars, closing little breakout here over the prior 3 bars. Price void. Both of these are longs over Friday's high. 2 more, but I can find you dozens and dozens of these. You should come check us out in the Master Trader green trading room, and you'll see us trading these in real time. And we obviously have a bunch of these trades in our weekend letters, all three of them. Costco here, same concept, down, building a base of support. And it's a closing breakout. When I say closing breakout, it means the closing price here. You ignore the tails. So it's a closing breakout over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars, price void, correction bar, traded under the lows, and range expansion. Starbucks, we would have given this as a long, but it has earnings this week. Same but different. Climactic, building a base of support, little downside shakeout here. This tail making new lows and closing with a bullish engulfing bar. And we'll keep an eye on that after earnings. So that's it. I hope that helped. Take a trial to our advisory letter and profit with these trades. And as I said, come see us in the green room, and you will watch us enter them and manage them in real time with alerts sent in real time in our Telegram text to subscribers. Good trading, everyone, and we will see you on the next trade review.